I look crazy. Good morning, babies. I woke up super early today because I'm getting ready for a photo shoot. So basically, I'm launching my website soon and I need to take pictures for that, and I have a really cool concept. Basically, I'm gonna bring all my chairs and some little tiny furnitures and just more home decor to a park, and we're gonna take pictures, which I'm so excited for because I'm gonna bring my whole entire office table and I'm gonna set it up like how I would have like an office but like in a nature. So that would be fun. My friend is coming over to help me load all of the furnitures into my car. The photographer today is also a friend. This is her account, Wondering Candid. She's amazing. I'm so excited to work with her. I've worked with her before and she's so talented, like it's crazy. These are some of the example. All of it is not gonna fit in my car, so we're gonna have to take multiple trips. For all of the furnitures, we're gonna bring this side table, that chair, maybe that side table, this side table, this thing. Actually, I'm not sure about that. I'm gonna bring these two chairs, and this table, which I'm gonna have to take it apart if I wanted to put it in my car, and that chair and this chair. A little nervous. This is today's vibe. Kind of looks like I'm going to the office, but like also serving kind. So.
There was a movie.
All we have left is that chair, this chair, and two more chairs in the bedroom. I'm not gonna bring this one because we are bringing the blue one, so I don't really need that one right now. And we're gonna put all of that in Cam's car and Aubrey's car. So, oh god, yeah. I'll see you at the park.
they get wet.
Oh, I hate that.
I have the lens filter on, and that's what it is, like anything metallic to glow. And so it kind of just it's just a little bit. That is so cute.
I'm so happy. Okay.
Yes.
I'm gonna do a dramatic like tear session.
Yeah, you are.
Okay.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, I am. Ready? Yeah. Let's go home.
Ooh.